Hey all, welcome back to the channel. This is the L8 Pro from XTAR, released in conjunction with their 20th year anniversary. Great new 8-slot charger which supports 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride and 1.5 volt lithium ion batteries. It has a few different functions too, which we'll get into in this video. The company XTAR, if you haven't ever heard of them, I'm going to leave some links on their website there. They've been in the battery game for some time with plenty of different chargers and some wonderful batteries which I use in all everyday products, from my karaoke microphones that my wife and my kids use to transmitters for my planes at the back. My TX15 runs XTAR batteries, as well as remote controls for all sorts of appliances and that around the house, and they truly live up to expectations, and that's why I only choose them. So this L8 Pro has been introduced, like I said, in conjunction with the giveaways that they're going to be doing on the links, which I'll leave below. If anyone's interested, just click on those and you can enter and give you a chance to win an L8 Pro. They're giving away a number of these over the next 7 months. So what we're going to do is unbox this and check it out and go over a few of the specs and see how it performs. Stay tuned. This is my first time unboxing this, so what you see here is what I see first up. So you get your instruction manual, all the standard stuff, USB-C cable and the charger itself. The first thing you notice is the design. The L8 Pro doesn't look like the old school battery chargers most of us grew up with. Instead of a plain rectangular tray, this has a cleaner, more modern layout with 8 independent charging slots and a front face display. It's compact for an 8-bay charger, and honestly it looks pretty good sitting on a desk. Build quality feels solid too, mostly plastic but not cheap plastic, and thankfully XTAR went with the USB-C for power input, which should honestly be standard on everything in 2026. That means you can power this from a wall adapter, power bank, laptop, or basically any modern USB-C setup. One of the biggest selling points here is compatibility. The L8 Pro supports both 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries and 1.5 volt lithium ion AA and AAA batteries. This charger can also mix battery types and charge them independently, so you're not forced into charging batteries in pairs. You can throw in 2 AA lithiums, 4 AAA nickel metal hydride cells, maybe one random half-dead battery from a flashlight, and it handles them individually. Now let's talk about the biggest upgrade over the standard L8. The Pro model adds a HD display and a battery repair function. This display gives you real-time charging information instead of just basic blinking LEDs like most chargers have. That's a huge improvement because basic LED lights only tell you charging or done. Here you actually get a better sense of what's happening per battery. XTAR also added a quick repair mode, deep refresh mode, and 0 volt activation for deeply discharged cells. Charging performance looks solid on paper. XTAR claims intelligent charging management, automatic full charge detection, and multiple safety protections including reverse polarity and short circuit protection. Where the charger makes the most sense is its volume. If you only charge 2 batteries a month, then this charger is probably overkill. But if your house burns through a lot of AA's like mine does, 8 slots becomes incredibly handy. It does. You can charge controller batteries, camera batteries, kids' toys, flashlights, and have a lot of slots still free. And also because it uses USB-C, it's very travel friendly as well. You could basically toss it in your gear bag, and with a power bank you've got charge station with you anywhere you go. I've had many products kindly given to me by XTAR. The L8 box was one recent one, which is a wonderful charger as well, and a very portable one if you decide to take it with you on your travels. The L8 Pro looks like it's something very similar, but for carrying batteries, the L8 box is probably better in that way. Both very good chargers, and their batteries too are outstanding. I've used them for many years, and I can't fault them. I've never had any complaints at all with anything that XTAR's name is associated with. Overall, I think the L8 Pro feels like a pretty smart tool. It's not trying to be a hardcore engineering tool, it's trying to be a modern, convenient, high-capacity smart charger for people who actually use a lot of rechargeable batteries. And honestly, it seems to do this really well. If anyone's interested in this charger or anything else on the XTAR website, there'll be links below for that. You can also buy this on the Amazon link I'll have in there if you want to do that. And also, if you're interested in their 20th anniversary giveaway prizes over the next 7 months, be sure to check the link there and register, and who knows, you might find yourself a winner of an L8 Pro charger or something else that they may bring out a surprise to some of you users. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go check it all out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.